late nights and coffee sips. Screens glow with dream scripts. Fingers dance on keys so swift. Code aligns in every shift. HTML and CSS blue. Lines of JavaScript flow through. Building dreams as functions queue. Worlds online begin anew. Pixels form and colors rise. Logic wrapped in coded ties. Every line a spark ignites, creating worlds from silent nights. Debuggers chase the sneaky bugs. Syntax checked with steady tugs. Connections made with gentle hugs. Every function snugly plugs. Through the loops and nested fun. Arrays and objects on the run. Writing stories never done. Sunrise signals we've begun. From a vision to a screen. Life in lines unseen. Interface elegant and clean. Crafting joy in every scene. Pixels form and colors rise. Logic wrapped in coded ties. Every line a spark ignites, creating worlds from silent nights. Pixels form and colors rise. Logic wrapped in coded ties. Every line a spark ignites, creating worlds from silent nights. Debuggers chase the sneaky bugs. Syntax checked with steady tugs. Connections made with gentle hugs. Every function snugly plugs. Through the loops and nested fun. Arrays and objects on the run. Writing stories never done. Sunrise signals we've begun.
In the dark of my room, the screen ignites. Lines of code dancing, sparking brilliant lights. Pixels come alive, never to fail, carving out trails like neon in a digital tale. HTML lays the groundwork dot by dot, building bridges where vibrant hues are caught. CSS fires up a blaze of style and flair, painting shimmering paths in electric air. Neon lights follow my mouse, so cool, like I'm casting sparks in a glowing pool. Every click unveils a world my digital way. Neon lights follow my mouse, so cool, like I'm casting sparks in a glowing pool. Every click unveils a world set to sail, coding brilliance in this neon trail. Every keystroke sparks new visions in my dreams. Flickering hues ripple in electronic streams. The art of text spins a vibrant cyber scheme, wiring visions into this neon theme. Neon trails fade into the night. A soft hum lingers as the glow